Because remember this, I have a son. I've got 4 girls, but I've got a son too. It's very important for me to have constant reminders on things that I have to do to speak her love language, my wife's love language, because my son is watching. My girls are watching. Whether if it's opening the door or how I speak to her in my tone or what do you call that? What am I thinking of? Agreeing with her, or agreeing with her when it's needed. These are the things that my children are going to be seeing. This is my girls are going to see that this is how a man should treat them. My son is going to see that this is how I'm supposed to treat my partner. And if I lose focus of like the reasons why I'm there, which is her, I love her. I fell in love with my wife. I fell in love with the kids, and I love my children more than anything in the world, but I love my wife, and that's why I was there. I made that decision to stay. So what is your reason? What's your why? What's your decision? Why are you there? Why do you continue to stay? And can you be honest with yourself when I ask the question, do you find yourself losing that romantic side of you? Or are you doing the little things to satisfy each other's love languages? Because if you're not, and you find yourself just kind of coexisting, then your relationship is not going to last too long. That I can promise you. And yes, there are so many different scenarios that play out in this, right? So many different scenarios that play out in this. But the most important thing to remember is this, is that doing the little things every day will add up to big things down the road. Whether it's the little things, the self-work on you, the time and commitment you're putting to learning more about your partner, and I say that, and I say learning more because guys, you can always be learning more. And if you're just staying stagnant, if you're standing still, you're not moving. If you're not moving, you're not going anywhere. Whether if it's up or down, you have to constantly be moving. Don't find yourself in a position where you are a roommate or coexisting, kind of like tiptoeing through life, hoping to make it safely to death. Like, don't find yourself there. You have to be enjoying and experiencing every moment in this journey. And every moment of this journey consists of the things that you're doing for yourself, the things that you're doing with your partner, and the things that you're doing with your children.
I go to war, I fight for you. Even when I've left, I do right by you.